Hey there, welcome to the Mansour Carpet YouTube channel. I'm really happy you're here. Today, I want to take you on a little journey to a magical spot tucked away in the cozy backstreets of Tehran, the capital of Iran. I'm going to share with you an incredible art form that revolves around Persian handmade carpets. It's truly something special. So come along with me. And hey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's explore together.
I'm so glad you decided to join me. In this captivating video, I'm going to show you something truly special. We'll step into a small workshop hidden in the narrow alleyways of the Pachanar neighborhood in Tehran, where master artisans perform the art of darkashi, a fascinating technique used to restore the shape of handmade carpets that have become skewed after weaving. Using these clever tools, screws, hooks, water, and a touch of heat, they skillfully bring the carpets back to their natural, perfect form. I won't spoil too much, though. I want you to fully enjoy watching this magical process and the incredible craftsmanship of these Persian carpet masters. And just a little reminder, if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Mansour Carpet YouTube channel.
Special thanks to Mr. Babaei and Mr. Ghahremani for allowing us to join them in their workshop. We hope you enjoyed this episode as much as we did. Stay with us for more videos like this on the Mansour Carpet YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, take care and see you soon.